Okay, this is apparently a common problem with the BMW X3s, this one being a 2013. This driver's side handle comes apart, and this is kind of a rubbery material that lines this pocket, and in the back there's this panel that slides up. So you can't order from BMW this lining part because it's part of the entire door panel as a part number. What you can do, and what I did, is you can order a made in China part, a non-BMW part. It's kind of a cheap plastic and is meant to slide in there with the back panel already on it and cover up the broken area. I'm going to try this out and come back to you and let you know how it went. I honestly cannot believe how well that worked. It snapped in. There's a few more clips on the back, so it's designed a little differently than this original part, or it's slightly different, and it clips in really well. And it's not loose. I can't even get my finger under there. Let me open the door here so if I can remember how to do it. Up here, and grab it, pull it. Look at that. That doesn't even move. What can I say? China got it right. If I had to pull this out to get to the screws that are behind there and take this panel off, well, I'm assuming I could. I am not going to do it now because it's in there good. I'll put up the order information in a minute. Okay, this is the eBay seller I bought the part from. And it did come from California, so it came very quickly. He has the price at $19.99 with free shipping. He raised the price a few dollars. I paid $16 with free shipping. There is a make offer button on there though, but this is the part. And there's other dealers selling it as well, but this is the one I went through. It came fast, and as you saw in the video, it worked perfectly. So I recommend it. Fix that ugly door handle. Okay, take it easy.